Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine and now Holi is already here, and let me all wish you a very happy Holi. And I'm sure all of you all love playing Holi. Even I love playing Holi, but these chemicals, oh my god, they're so bad for your skin and for your hair. So I have few tips how you can take care of your skin and your hair this season of Holi. So let me begin. First tip is, before and after Holi, try not to do any threading, waxing or facial because this irritates your skin. Second tip is, try to use a good moisturizer in your skin and put 2 layers because this will prevent the colors, and it will remove also very easily if you have colors in your face. So try to put 2 layers of any moisturizing whichever you have, and don't forget to put sunscreen because we play outside and this will damage your skin and you get tan. So use a sunscreen before you go to play Holi, and that is just 30 minutes before you play Holi. And you can use any sunscreen. I love to use this Neutrogena because I have this one, so I will use this one. And don't forget to put coconut oil. The third tip is, put coconut oil in your hair and tie a plait or a bun, but just don't leave your hair because that damages your skin and your hair also. The chemicals are very strong, as we all know, so try to tie a plait or a bun. And also the fourth tip is, we always forget behind our ears, so put Vaseline behind your ears because the color stains don't go. And the fifth tip is, don't forget to put nail polish. Nail polish is very important because if you're not going to put nail polish, all these stains of the colors will not go. It takes about 1 week to go, and that it also damages your your nails also. So you try to put any color nail polish. And same goes with the guys. Guys can put something which is very transparent, and the guys can do the same thing what I have said for your nails and for your skin and for your hair. And the sixth tip is, try to wear something cotton and full sleeves because the more you cover your body, the more better it is because these chemicals are very strong. It really harms your your skin also. So, and if you find any irritation during the colors, try to apply aloe vera gel because that's very soothing to your skin, so don't worry. And when you come back from the from playing Holi, when you wash your hair, don't wash so much, just wash once or twice, don't wash so much. Just put one shampoo and conditioner, and if your color is not coming out, don't worry. Just the next day you can wash your hair because too much washing is not good. And if you feel your hair has become very brittle or very rough, try to apply this pack of yogurt, honey and coconut oil. It really makes a lot of difference. Your hair becomes much better texture and becomes much softer. So apply that pack and leave it about for 40 minutes. And the same thing goes for your face. If you feel the color is not coming out, you can apply milk and a basin, and you can apply in your face and leave it for 20 minutes and then just massage it out, and you can wash it and rinse it out, and this will help the colors also to come out easily. So I'm sure this video is useful for you all, and try these tips out and these tricks out, and I'm sure you all will have a safe Holi and enjoy your Holi. And I'm sure you have no fear now. You're going to do all these tricks and tips. So take care and have a safe Holi, and I'll see you next in my next video. Bye friends, and keep smiling. Bye.